Hello everybody, my name is Jennifer Juliana Parra. I am studying teaching English at INAT University, and today I will be doing the task number 5, which is a video tutorial of the course English Phonetics. Well, in this activity I have to explain you 3 different sounds from the IPA alphabet, so let's start. The 3 different sounds that we will be talking today is T, N, and Z. So let's start. Let's check about them a little more. So the first one is the sound T. Okay, the place of articulation is alveolar. That means that the tip of the tongue is touching the gum ridge behind your front teeth. Okay, here as the picture shows, the tongue is behind of the front teeth here. Okay. Now, the manner of articulation is plosive. It means that the airflow is stopped so that airflow ceases for a brief amount of time. So the correct pronunciation of this sound is T. The tongue is behind the front teeth. So the pronunciation is T. T. And also is this consonant is a voiceless sound because at the moment that you pronounce it, there is not vibration, so it's a voiceless sound. Some samples could be two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Another example, the 222 train tore through the tunnel. Here is different because the H are another symbol, so here the pronunciation is different. But in this case, the pronunciation is train. Okay. The next one, the letter N. Here, the place of articulation is bilabial. That means that we use both lips to pronounce it. And the manner of articulation is nasal. That means that the air escapes through the nose because air doesn't come out the mouth because there is complete closure somewhere within the mouth. Okay, so here in the picture shows that the lips are closed and the sound come out from the nose. Okay, so an example: missing, mixture, mixer. So the pronunciation of this consonant is mm. Mm. The sounds come off the nose. Another example could be my mommy makes me muffins on Mondays. Always when we pronounce M, we use the both lips and we close them. So my mommy makes me muffins on Mondays. And the last one is the symbol S. In this case, the place of articulation is alveolar. As I said before, that means that the tip of the tongue is touching the gum ridge behind your front teeth. This is the tongue, this is the front teeth, and the tongue is behind the front teeth. And the manner of articulation is fricative. That means that the airflow is pushed through a small opening, which creates turbulence to the airflow. So this pronunciation is the tongue is behind the front teeth and the airflow is pushed through a small opening. So example could be she sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Another example could be 7 sleek, slimy snakes sliding slowly southward. So, again, 7 sleek, slimy snakes sliding slowly southward. Pronunciation in this case is s. We don't use like the E before, just the sound s. We don't say S, we say s. Okay, so again, this example, she sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.